Hey, to fix any issues of your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3, I can recommend you to perform the hard reset. So basically we are going to restore all default settings, and to do this you have to put both earbuds inside this charging case. Next, keep that case open, and right now we just have to find this button and we have to click and hold this button until this indicator right here starts blinking red. So keep holding all the time. There we go. Right now we are performing the hard reset. It is blinking red and then it turns white. And right now we can release that button, and it means that we perform the hard reset. And as you can see, we are not connected anymore with our application. We are not connected anymore by the standard Bluetooth settings. So it means that right now we can remove the previously connection and basically pair our earbuds one more time. So from this available devices list, you have to select your FreeBuds Pro 3, accept the pairing, and we are connected back. Also, you can find them back in the AI Live application. And as you can see, I just remove the gestures, so it was set up to none on everyone. And right now it turns to the default state. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.